What's up, YouTube? My name is Eric Hammer, and I want to show you how to make $50 an hour in your spare time. Sounds good? Stay with me. Now, before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I'm one of the few people who can actually pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Here on the channel, what I do is I review info products and software in the make money online niche so that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
I also provide all kinds of free training videos like this one, where I talk about ways to make money online as well as all kinds of things in the world of entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
If you are new to the channel, please go ahead, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button if you like this video, and let's get right into it. So we're here on a website. It's called Rent a Friend. And I know it's going to sound a little bit weird.
I know it sounds a little weird.
But this is real. You can do this. It's super simple. You basically just have to be the kind of person who likes meeting new people. That's pretty much all that's required.
Well, what if I'm a people person?
And there's no kinky, weird stuff like that going on. That's actually strictly forbidden on Rent a Friend. They're absolutely not allowed to do that.
Oh, well, that just makes it okay then, doesn't it?
Basically, what you do is you become a member of Rent a Friend.
Ash isn't only a friend of you guys. He's a friend of ours.
And you can apply to become a friend. Anybody can join anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. And you set whatever amount you want to charge. You can see here they actually broke it down for you. So, for example, if you charge $20 an hour, and you could earn $38,400, that's a full-time job, and for working like 8 hours a day. If you charge $50 an hour, $96,000 a year. I mean, realistically, you're not going to be called every single day for 8 hours a day. So, I mean, they're trying to make it sound better than it actually is, but you can definitely make some real money on this thing. And I know it sounds a bit weird, but there's absolutely no form of sex involved. It's basically people who are maybe new to town. They're looking for somebody who can show them around, or people who are feeling lonely and they want to just have somebody to hang out with. Sometimes people will ask you to come with them to a wedding, for example, because they don't want to show up at a wedding, at the family wedding, all alone without somebody to accompany them, and they will pay you $50 an hour to show up and just be the arm candy. This is something that you've probably seen on TV and thought it was a joke.
Being totally serious now.
It's actually real. It really does exist. You can do this. It's super simple. You go to this website, rentafriend.com. /be a friend. Okay. You're going to click sign up as a friend. Very, very easy to do.
You make it sound so simple.
And you just fill in your details here. It's super simple, and you're going to be listed. And the more outgoing and more personable you are, the more likely it is that you're going to be called again and again and again for being a friend.
I have your money. I just want to be your friend.
And there's really nothing more to say about it. The only people who can actually see your profile here are going to be people who paid to actually find a friend on Rent a Friend. So nobody's going to be contacting you out of the blue. If they contact you, it's because they saw you there, and they're actually going to want to go ahead and pay you to hang out with them. So pretty cool stuff. Go ahead and sign up right now.